Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be making a little healthier version of the Hara Bhara Kabab, that is Soya Hara Bhara Kabab. So let's make it. Soak 1 cup soya chunks in hot water and set aside for some time. Now squeeze out all the water and put them in a mixing jar. Pulse it a few times to get a texture like soya granules, then transfer to a mixing bowl. You can take soya granules instead of soya chunks to skip this step. Heat some oil in a pan, add 1 inch chopped ginger, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and saute for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup green peas, 2 to 3 chopped green chillies, saute, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Add 2 cups of chopped spinach and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it cools down completely, transfer to a blender jar and add a little bit of water, just 2 to 3 tablespoons, not much, and blend to a coarse paste. Pour it into the same bowl. Add half a cup grated paneer, 3 tablespoons chickpea flour, 1/3 cup finely chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, and I have added 1 teaspoon raw mango powder as well. Now add salt to taste and mix everything well. If you feel you are unable to form tikkis out of this dough, you can add 1 more teaspoon chickpea flour. Now heat up a pan, add some oil. Shape a few tikkis and place it on the pan. You can fry 5 to 6 tikkis at a time. Don't overcrowd your pan. Place a cashew on each tikki. It's just for the look, so this step is completely optional. Now cook the tikkis on low to medium flame for 6 to 7 minutes or until they are slightly golden brown on each side. Transfer to a plate and fry the next batch of tikkis as well. Let's make a green coriander chutney that goes amazingly well with these kebabs. Take a blender jar, add around 3 cups of coriander leaves, 2 to 3 chopped green chillies, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, half an inch chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, juice of 1 lemon, 5 to 6 tablespoons of curd. You can add more curd later if required, and salt to taste. Blend them to a smooth puree and transfer to a bowl. Now you can store this chutney in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week and use it for so many other recipes. Now serve hot kebabs with chutney and some onions and enjoy. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try and let me know if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.